Fathead, more than just words. Hello language learners. Today, we're going to dive into an English phrase that may sound a bit strange if you take it literally. Fathead. By the end of this video, you'll understand the meaning, usage, and context behind this intriguing phrase. Let's get started. When you hear the words fat and head, you might imagine someone with a physically large head. But in English, combining these two words doesn't always refer to the size of someone's head. Fat, a substance that comes from animals or plants and consists of molecules with long chains of fatty acids. It is solid at room temperature and is used in food to give energy and to make other substances. Head, the top part of the human body that contains the brain, eyes, ears, nose, and mouth. However, when these words come together as a phrase, they take on a completely different meaning. Fathead is actually a colloquial term, and it's often used as a light-hearted or playful insult. When someone is called a fathead, it generally means that the person is being stubborn or hard-headed, silly or foolish. It's important to note that this term is informal, and it's often used among friends or family in a playful manner. However, like any phrase or word with potentially negative connotations, it's crucial to be aware of the context and the feelings of the person you're speaking to. To help you understand better, let's look at a few examples. 1. Don't be such a fat head. You know I was only joking. 2. Why won't you listen to advice? You can be a real fathead sometimes. Remember, it's all about the tone and context. These examples are in a more playful or light-hearted tone. So, the next time you hear the term fathead, you'll know that it's not always about someone's head size. Context is key when understanding and using such phrases in English. We hope this explainer has shed some light on the quirky ways the English language uses words and phrases. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.